Hey, what's up guys? Your boy 82. Welcome to Big Tiny Tech channel. It's your first time. Please like and subscribe, share with a friend, and have your friends share with a friend, and so on. Yeah, welcoming into the new year. Lots been happening. I'm super excited. Just got another surprise today, and I wanted to share with you guys. It's massive. Not massive, but I'm a little excited about it because this haven't disappointed me. It wasn't much of a long wait, unlike Bobcat. But this will do for now. It's part of the collection. So basically, just gonna do a quick unboxing of the one and only oops, Milesight. All right, the UG65 just came in fresh in the mail. I'm super excited about it. This looks different. Unlike the other ones, like the Bobcats, the Rock Miner, this is different. It looks more like a router, but we're gonna show you what it looks like a bit. I don't have the screwdriver, so unboxing. So comes with the manual, everything. Nicely packaged. It's here. It's the one and only. Am I holding it right? Yes, I am. Very sturdy, almost like an outdoor but this is for the indoor. But in the back here is where the power and the Ethernet is located inside of here. I'm gonna get a screwdriver so I can open up and show you what it looks like under the hood. The remaining in here. It's located, has a 3-year warranty card. Of course, you have the 1.5 dBi antenna. This is different. Usually, like with the Bobcat, you're getting the 4 dBi antenna. For the Rock Miner is about, I think, around 5 or the same. But because of the power plug, of course you have the screws as well. Ethernet cord and the mounting bracket, metal. Like the Bobcat is like plastic, but this is metal. Yes. So everything is located here. So I'm gonna unscrew this part so you can see what's underneath. Screwdriver. Voila. See? That's what it looks like. Looks like it's waterproof. Underneath here, you have this removable plastic where you now run the wires, the power and the Ethernet into here, and then you could put this in, put this back to seal it and keep it sealed tight. It reminds me similar to what the Match X Pro back looks like as well, almost similar. But then you have the reset button here, then you have the Ethernet, you have the power cord, and another unique thing about this one is also you can also use a SIM card. This right here, this is a SIM card. So, and then you have the, oops, what am I talking about? This is the console input, and then this is for the SIM card. So you can stand alone and leave it outdoors and let it run through the SIM card. So this is another cool thing about this. It's very different from the other Helium miners that I own. This is definitely different, and I look forward to hooking it up so you can see what's under the hood, what the UGI looks like. Hey, so welcome back. We're gonna go into the Milesight UG65, and we're gonna see what's under the hood, more or less. What makes it tick. I'm super excited. Unlike the Rack Miner and the Bobcat, you know, it doesn't have any interface where you could just log in and see what's underneath. But this one is pretty interesting, more or less. This side. So we're logged in. So you can see the status. Status overview, when VPN, hot list, packet folder. Not only is this a miner, this is more like it's also a router. So you can see generals, applications, enable, cloud mode, join delay, applications, profiles, device, multicast groups, gateway fleet, packets, network interface, port, connection type. This is a router. Loop back, like you could really do a lot with this. So you could block, even you have your own the firewall, you could block certain websites, keywords. You could put this in the DMZ. This is cool. Port mapping, mag binding. You can actually do a port forward in here as well. This is cool. This is really cool. DNS, yeah, failover, VPN, DMVPN, IPsec, tunneling. Yeah, this is more than a Helium miner. This is a super machine. This is robust. Servers, wow, you can use the open VPN servers here as well. So like for those that are spoofing Man, this is actually an ultimate spoofing hardware in order to game the helium and stuff like that. Oops, I didn't say that. Of course, I'm not doing that because I don't have time for that. But those that are in the know could definitely manipulate this quite a lot. Systems, general settings, system time. Let's change this to let's look for America, East Coast. Can we find it? United States Eastern Time. Let's save. Okay, email protocols. It's cool. Different settings, tools. You can ping, trace route, QXDM log, schedules. This is almost like almost like an IT course right now for me. Upgrade the firmware from here, backup, reset to factory default, reboot. Apps, you can run Python as well, and Node-RED. So basically you can actually run a script. Definitely can run a script here. In the Node. Yeah, so this is just about it. Just wanted to show you what it looks like under the hood of this magnificent hard drive. Helium miner. This is totally different from the rack miner, the Bobcat. So yeah, I look forward to what this can really do. Alright guys, this is the unboxing, the end of the unboxing. The next video will be the setup. I'll show you how to set it up. The setup is a little different, unlike the other miners like the Bobcats and the rack miner. The way you set this one up is a bit different, so I'm going to go into details how to do that. Alright, if it's your first time, if you haven't subscribed yet, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like the like button, the bell notification, so it can notify you whenever I upload some new videos. And thank you for watching the Big Tiny Tech. Thank you for watching Big Tiny Tech. Stress less, think positive, yeah? Peace.